features. All new 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor. Great touchscreen control. Only 1080p video capture. The Eos M5 sports an all-new 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, though its DNA can be traced to the excellent sensor we've already seen in the Eos ATD Enthusiast DSLR, with a sensitivity range running from 100 to 25,600. The original Eos M suffered from a notoriously slow AF system, and while the Eos M3 featured a hybrid CMOS AF3 system that was a noticeable improvement over its predecessor, the Eos M5 takes advantage of Canon's latest sensor technology and uses its now proven dual-pixel CMOS AF, which has impressed in the past, partnered with its latest Digic 7 image processor. In a first for Canon's mirrorless range, the Eos M5 incorporates a built-in electronic viewfinder with a 2.36 million resolution and fast 120 fps refresh rate. There's also a large 3.2-inch tilt-angle display, and what's really nice to see here is that Canon has implemented touchscreen technology, just as it's done with the 5D Mark IV. The screen can be tilted upwards by approximately 85 degrees for waist-level shooting, and downwards by up to 180 degrees should you be ever tempted to take a selfie with your M5. It features the same impressive 1,620,000 resolution as we've seen on both the 5D Mark IV and 1DX Mark II. The Eos M5 is also the most connected Canon camera we've yet seen, with not only Wi-Fi and NFC, but Bluetooth. This allows a low-power, constant connection to be maintained between camera and smart device for what promises to be easy transfer of images between the two. Perhaps a little surprisingly, given the recent arrival of 4K video on the 5D Mark IV and the increasing prevalence of 4K on rival cameras, the Eos M5 sticks with 1080p video, although it's possible to shoot it up to 60p.